Okay, boys and girls, this is part 2 of our cat observations. So I thought I would do another video just so we could compare the two cats. This is Sabrina, and she is about 5 years old. Actually, she's five years old today. Today's her birthday. She is very different than Matilda, and she's different in many ways. First, she has all black fur. Her fur is very soft. She has green eyes. Oops, green eyes. Her whiskers are about the same length as Matilda's, about 3 inches long. If you look at her paws, she happens to have pink paws, and that's just to protect her from scratching up the furniture. But yes, she has pink nail caps. She particularly lays on this, it's called a cat condo, very often. So that's another observation. I can often find her here. Let's see. She is, her nose is also black, different than Matilda, but Matilda had a dark brown nose. Sabrina's is all black. Her hair is not as long as Matilda's, it's shorter, and once again it's all black. And she stays a lot more still than Matilda. Matilda moves a lot, but Sabrina tends to stay still. So that's a little bit of the differences between the two. So now I'm going to stop this video and now write some observations of both cats. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we're back. So, tonight for homework, this is your loose leaf paper. So you want to write your name. And today's date is 9/11/2014. You would write science observations. Observation homework. And your student number. And you all have that. Okay, so I observed two different cats. We have Matilda, and we call her Matty for short. We don't really call her Matilda very often. And Sabrina. So observations. Well, Matilda is 10 years old. Well, it's not an observation. That's a fact that I happen to know. But you can record that down if you do have a pet. Sabrina is 5 years old. Matilda has long fur, where Sabrina has short fur. And I should make little bullets here, just so I keep it organized. Alright, Matilda has a mix of light brown, dark brown, and orange fur, where Sabrina, it's all black. They both have yellow eyes. That's typical. And when I say yellow, I mean the iris, the outside part of the eyes, not the inside. Matilda does have a small scratch on one eye. That's a difference. They're about 2 feet long, both of them. Now I would use a ruler to measure it, So if you have something at home, you want to try to measure it. So I have about 5 observations for each, and I could keep going, but this is the general idea. And we use observations to help us make predictions, hypotheses, and to draw conclusions. So tomorrow, when you list your objects, the only thing I want you to do is to cover this up so that your classmates can try to guess what it might be, so that way it's a mystery, and to see if your observations are detailed and accurate. Alright, boys and girls, good luck with your assignment tonight, and have a great night.